Ever get that sinking feeling that your coaching is like being stuck on a treadmill going nowhere? Well, today I'm here to help you change that. Figuring out what to teach while juggling multiple topics can be really chaotic. It's like basically a beginner attempting to do a 300-pound deadlift or 300-pound bench press on their first day. Ambitious? Yes. Realistic? Not really. Today, we're zeroing in, focusing on just 3 to 5 teaching points in your particular area of expertise. This targeted approach is going to guide your dream clients straight to their desired outcomes. Remember a previous video where I assisted you in uncovering your unique skills? That's where you began identifying your areas of expertise. Now, this expertise becomes the very foundation for your teaching points. So let's explore how to identify those teaching points. Here are the 6 pivotal questions I use when I come up with my teaching points. So number 1, what's the desired outcome that they are going to get after they've completed your program, they've completed your course, they've completed your mastermind, whatever it is that you're wanting to put together, what's the desired outcome that they're going to get? Did they shed 15 pounds? Maybe they packed on 10 pounds of muscle. Identify the concrete benefits of your program. Number 2 is what were your pivotal, what I like to call needle movers? What were those things that moved the needle that allowed you or the clients that you have helped overcome their problem? Was it you implemented 8-16 intermittent fasting regimen? Or maybe you just transitioned to plant-based nutrition? What was one of those pivotal needle movers that allowed you and your clients to overcome their problem? So number 3, let's start diving into some of the missteps. So start to think about what were some of the biggest mistakes you've made? What were those obstacles or roadblocks that got in your way as you were walking through the process? A lot of times you start looking at those as setbacks, but they aren't setbacks. They're valuable lessons. And it's essential to share them because it's going to save your clients a ton of time and trouble because they're not personally going to have to go through them. And number 4 is what daily habits did you create that anchored in the outcome you were able to make? So think about those daily routines that help set up and anchor the transformation that you made or that your clients made. Because your established habits, the ones that you continually did on a daily basis, those and the ones that you inspire in your clients as well, those are going to provide the stability and the consistent victories for them. And then number 5 is identifying your unique selling proposition. So think about what's the one thing that you're doing that nobody else is doing, or nobody else is doing it in that particular way. So it could be integrating specific breathing exercises into a workout routine. It could be a specific type of barefoot training or a way you do barefoot training, or a new method of incorporating like cold exposure, because that's the big thing right now, right? How you incorporate that into or around training sessions. So basically, highlight what it is that sets you apart. That is your secret sauce. And then number 6, what's your step-by-step guide for your ideal clients? It needs to be mapped out clearly. So this right here is the opportunity that you have to guide them on their journey, right? You're showing them the fastest and the easiest ways to get them to their end goal. Your dream clients, they don't want a 50-step process. They want simplicity and they want efficiency. So let me give you an example of my teaching points for what I do to give you a different understanding or a different viewpoint of it. My expertise lies in guiding health and fitness coaches to create digital products using the knowledge that they already currently have in their head. My 5 teaching points are, number 1, determining the unique skills and expertise that that particular person has. Number 2 is helping them identify their dream clients. Number 3 is crafting their solution statement. Number 4 is then pinpointing your teaching points, which is what I'm teaching today. And then the 5th one is helping them establish a framework to actually teach those teaching points. But remember, it's pivotal not to overwhelm your clients. Stick to 3 to 5 teaching points so it's easier to digest for them. It's easier for them to understand the process and not get overwhelmed. So the method that I've just shared with you is going to help you identify your teaching points. But up next, we're going to dive into associating the benefits and the outcomes for each of those 3 to 5 teaching points. But for now, smash that subscribe button and show some love in the comments. You got this.